Aare Ona Kakanfo don't open him mouth speak against Igbo, saying that Igbo they behind the political and economic problems in Nigeria. You see, I don't say they see this thing there for the screen for my screen. You don't see how an elderly man go wake up in the morning. They finish Igbo, say we are behind this thing, the problem. You begin to wonder what do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? The day we joined everybody joined in NSAS protest. What do we hear? Oh, Naibo, they want hijack Lagos, they want do this, they want hijack government. He reached Tinubu regime. Tinubu will be their brother. It's stop them to focus on that man, will be their brother. And him they still carry mind, say na Igbo man be the problem. Upon say Igbo no join protest, it tells you that if Igbo man wake up in the morning say he won't join protest, that one a calamity now. If you hear Operation Python dance, Operation Crocodile smile, there's nothing you go feel here because of this thing. Igbos join the protest, the hunger protest. How far? The hunger protest, everybody that one don't go. You can see say that just like set up for Igbos to enter. They do not. The same people who open their mouth and say that Igbos want to hijack. They are angry that maybe P2B didn't win, so they want to hijack the government of Tinubu. So I'm happy say Igbos can get better sense. So what am I trying to say? Upon all the problems in the country, now this man, now Igbo still be the problem. You see, this is the dangers of somebody being envy and jealous. You no go know when you go dey cross line. Too much envy and jealousy, they cause some of these statements. They cause these kind of statements. How in the world na Igbo don't lose election now. Their brother no win, no problem, they don't continue. They say make they no join protest before you carry and say na Igbo want to hijack your government. Now you can't wake up for the morning and say nah. So what am I trying to say? Every Igbo man wey dey for Nigeria suppose understand say when they look everybody like say they like you. You understand? Anything you need to do, anything they do, anything they do for Nigeria, just have in the back of your mind that not every person, not every tribe there they like you. Forget about all this. We are one Nigeria, one Nigeria. We only they hear one Nigeria. We never hear one USA, one Canada, one UK. Why you they hear one Nigeria? You don't ask yourself that kind of question. Nigeria people, make una they use your head, especially Igbo people with the Nigeria. Make una use your head. Those of you who na pack carry una goods, na those they establish businesses over that area, that Lagos. Make una carry una this thing go back east. You go there like play. Remember when Ojukwu been for threat for say Ewu Kwenu, you know, cause they call Igbos Ewu because how they go they build those their things, the mansions, they know they get any investment for their place for east. You get as it be, you understand? So what thing we want to say, make everybody understand this thing, and make every woman understand say that not all every tribe they happy with you. As such, be careful. Be careful. And do what is right. Avoid the problems. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos. Till next time.